everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. So I didn't get to do a traditional outfit of the day, what I wore since we were away this past week, but I decided to capture some photos, videos of outfits I wore on vacation. I thought it might be fun to share what I wore on vacay. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have some furry sidekicks out here with me. Dexter the Beagle, Loki the Westie. I have who are they all? There's so many of them. I have Willie, who is the Jack Russell, and Harvey's actually out here too, and he's the kitty. I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so we can keep on doing this. All right, so let's see. We started off with going to the North Carolina coast, Emerald Isle specifically, so we're headed towards the Crystal Coast. And for my travel outfit, which I did not capture a picture of, but I'm going to share here anyway, I chose the softest pair of denim I own, which is more like a sweat pant. It's the Rag & Bone Miramar, and these are the wide leg crop. Paired it with just a white tank because I knew once I got there it would be warm when we left. It was the middle of the night, so it was a little cooler, and I grabbed this Z Supply beach sweater, and then I just threw on a pair of flip-flops, and that was my travel outfit for the day, and it worked out perfectly. Then when we got there, we ended up hitting the beach and checking things out, like trying to understand the property where we were staying and check things out. So switched to something super easy, which is basically a bathing suit, and I had a cute little cover-up that I got from Front Door Fashion, a blue dress. Forgot to grab a picture of that for you guys, but I feel like any of these outfits you could recreate on your own with things that you have in your closet if you need some inspiration. For dinner that night, we did go out to eat, but we stayed local, just went to a cute little pizza place, and I ended up just leaving the same outfit on. All right, so next day, I chose a pair of cutoffs and a tank to just wear over top of a bathing suit. And of course, I had a Cupshe bathing suit on. All of my bathing suits were Cupshe. I really enjoy them. And then I just paired it with a cute little tank from Z Supply that I got in a Wantable. So I love this one because it says Coastal. And then, of course, a pair of cutoffs were by Cut from the Kloth. I believe I got those in a Trendsend. Very comfortable, very relaxed, super easy to wear. And then, of course, my Sanuk flip-flops, which you guys have seen a lot. These are the gold pair. I wore them for all my beach time events, and it worked out perfectly. For dinner that night, I did switch into something a little dressier. I love this outfit, and this is when I actually decided I should capture these outfits for you. When I had this one on, I thought, oh, this is so pretty. Of course, it was evening time, so the picture's not the best, but I think you get the idea. This is a Z Supply outfit. Love, love, love. The pants and then the smocked strapless top, so adorable in this fun color pattern with all the tropical vibes given off. I loved it. Paired it with just a simple pair of gold slides that I took that were by Dolce Vita. They were flats, super cute. Loved this whole outfit. I did take a jean jacket with me. It's the Miramar super comfy jean jacket that I had for all of my events while I was down there, just to throw on top, and it worked perfectly. So next day, another pool day, or I should say beach day, right? We headed to the beach that morning. I threw on another bathing suit by Cupshe. These cute little cutoffs. I like these. These are like a destroyed cutoff. I believe these ones are from Daze denim. Got them in a Wantable, paired back to this cute chaser tank. I got in a Trendsend many years ago. I love it. It just brings all those warm weather vibes with it, and thought it was a perfect way to spend at the beach. And of course, my flip-flops. For dinner that night, another dress. I love this one. It's by Z Supply. I got it in a Stitch Fix. It's so pretty. The white's just gorgeous. It fit perfectly. I got a lot of compliments on it, so I love this dress. And I love that I was able to get to wear it while I was at the beach. It feels like a truly fun beach dress. So repeat for another fun day lounging in the sun. Another, might had on my Cut from the Kloth denim again. I tend to wear those the whole time I was going down to the sand. You don't need to pick a lot of pieces. You just pick pieces that you can easily rotate and wear over and over again. I love this one. The tank is from a Wantable. Love this one. Super cute with the summer love, because I do, and I can feel it all ending, so I was trying to hold on to every last bit of it. Super cute, just nice, calm outfit for all the things that day. And that night, we had a really nice time going to dinner. I picked another Z Supply dress. I love this one as well with all the fun colors going through it. It's just such a pretty, pretty dress. I think I got it in a Wantable as well. I'm pretty sure it was one of the requested items. I got it either last year or the year before, but such a pretty dress, super comfortable. Again, just with the Dolce Vita little slides, very, very comfy, and I got a ton of compliments on it as well. Loved it. Then the next day was my birthday. It was Thursday, and we got up and decided to head back towards the airport. So we were staying about an hour and a half away from the airport that we had to leave early Friday morning from. So my husband and I decided that we would stay closer to the airport since our flight was at 6:30 in the morning. So we decided we didn't need an hour and a half drive, plus get there 2 hours early. We would just end up staying up all night. So we ended up moving closer to the airport and stayed at Wrightsville Beach, which was so super nice at this really awesome Marriott. Loved everything about it. I will tell you, these beaches, both Emerald Isle and where we stayed at Wrightsville, complimentary beach chairs, which I don't know about you guys, but that's rare where I usually go to. Complimentary bikes if you need them. Like, everything was so nice and set up for you that it made for a really great relaxing time. So we ended up stopping at the spa for my birthday. My husband got a facial and I got a massage. It was so, so nice. I had on a pair of white Pistola shorts. Got those in a Trendsend, I'm pretty sure, paired with that super cute Ever Eve top. I love that brown top, and that was also from a Trendsend. And then for shoes, the same. My Dolce Vita gold shoes. Those were perfect for travel, and they're very, very comfortable. Then for my birthday dinner, how about this fun top by Steve Madden? Got it in a JB Stylebox. I was so excited to wear it, couldn't wait. So comfortable. I loved every minute of it. It was just one of the best jumpsuits, and I'm so glad that I caught it. So it made for a really cute outfit for my birthday dinner. And then we came home on Friday, and for Friday I had another comfy outfit on. We, again, like I said, we're leaving super early in the morning. It was cooler here when we got home. It was a little cooler in the middle of the night too with no sun. So I picked a pair of joggers from White House Black Market that I've had forever, but they're very, very comfortable. A black tank from L&A I got in a Stitch Fix, and then threw my jean jacket on top. Again, it's the Miramar jean jacket from Rag & Bone, and my black little flip-flop Sanuks. And that was a wrap on vacation. Then we were home already. It went really, really fast. It was really, really nice. A lot of you have been asking about my dad. He's home, but he's struggling. In fact, while we were gone, we had a bad episode in the middle of the night. He was confused, not sure what was going on. I think the holiday threw him for a loop because he's very scheduled and regimented, and when things don't happen on the days that they're supposed to, it just throws him into a tailspin, and I think that's what happened. We were able to get him calmed down. The nurse has since seen him, but there was a lot of drama while I was gone, which it is what it is at this point, right? We'll help him as best we can. My son was happy to go help him. He never wants to talk to anybody but me, but we'll see. We're going to take it day by day, but he's doing a little bit better now, and I'll go see him probably tomorrow night. All right, another thing I have to catch you all up on was my keepers from this week, right? So we started off the week with Front Door Fashion. Really, really liked that. I had to put that stuff off to the side here because the peppers are just so bad. So let me grab those keepers. I ended up keeping 4. See, here comes Dexter, he knows. They can't wait to destroy stuff. I have now named them the Trio of Terror because that's what they're like. They just are so destructive. While we were gone, my son, kept telling me all the things they would eat and destroy. They're just the Trio of Terror. We did not get a dog. We got a dog pack. So they love the pack more than they love us right now. So we'll see how they mature and hopefully it gets so much better. But from my Front Door Fashion, which was a super good one, I kept the belt, of course. I kept this Z Supply skirt. I love it, love it, love it. I did keep both jackets. So I did keep the one with the little snake print on it. I liked it. It's nice and thin weight. I thought it'd be perfect as we transition. And then I kept this jacket, but I didn't keep the pants. Everyone loved the set. They weren't quite as comfortable. Like, they didn't have stretch, and I was nervous that I would not pick them because they weren't as comfortable as I would love for them to be. So I decided this might look better with black anyway. So I'm going to go with black pants, and that way I could dress it up or go casual. So that's why I picked these 4 pieces. But I thought the whole collection was really, really good. I couldn't really go wrong. I think she did a great job, but I ended up picking these 4 pieces. I thought they would be the ones I would choose the most as we head into the fall months. All right, so then next we have to talk about my 2 Wantables. So these were the City Girl Wantables, right? I had the Active as well as the Style Edit. I agree with everybody. I thought the Active Edit was so much better. I ended up keeping a lot more from that one than I did from the Style Edit. So for the Style Edit, I think I kept 3. I did. I kept 3. So I kept the 525 vest. I thought that was adorable. I kept the Essential Printed Knit Tank and Cheetah by Black Tape. And then the last item that I kept was, and I had to exchange it, was the Arizo short in blacks. That was the black and white tan short, so I exchanged those for the next size up. All right, so that was the Style Edit. And then for the Active Edit, I ended up keeping 6 items. So I kept the Z Supply USA sweater. I kept the cute little shorts. Those were by Barley. I kept the, hello Dexter, say hi to everybody. Let's be nice. I kept the Interval joggers. Yes, I kept the Free People jumpsuit. I loved it so much. I kept the set by Beyond Yoga. I love that one. I think that's like a perfect weekend or it's a perfect travel outfit. I'm going to Vegas here in next month for a conference. I thought that might be a really nice travel outfit where it's going to be a little bit cooler. I kept the cropped denim. These were the Dear John. Are they cropped? Maybe not. They're the Dear John super high rise wide leg with the released hem. I kept those. I kept the little tee. So you're all caught up now. And then today's Saturday and my latest loft haul posted. I love that one. Dexter, come here, buddy. Come here. Come say hi to everybody. You don't need to bark at the whole world. Come on, say hi. There you are. You got new. Check out his new Halloween. Check out his new Halloween collar that my son got him. Loki has a cute little Peanuts one on. Charlie Brown, Snoopy's on them. That's really cute. And I'm not sure what he put on Willie. I think these are little mugs. I think there might be, what are those? Little mugs? I don't know. Those are cute, but he likes, for some reason, he really likes green on Willie. Don't ya? Okay, thank you for that kiss. Anyway, my loft haul posted today. It was such a good one. I hope you check it out. Sorry for the howling. This is what he sounds like all the time. But loving Loft. I just got some new pieces in. I'm going to get to share with you here soon. I got to film them. But Loft has really been having some great new styles come out for the fall months. So I'm really enjoying those. And my final outfit I'll share today, since I'm home, I might as well share my outfit for Saturday. All I did was breakfast with my friends so far, and now I'm trying to organize myself. But I have on a dress you may recognize from a JB Stylebox. Paired it with this cute little jacket from Trendsend. It's by Ever Eve. These are also from a Trendsend, Dolce Vita. My necklace you may remember from Nordstrom anniversary sale last year, not this year. I have on my bracelet stack, and that's a wrap. All right, not your typical outfit of the day, but hopefully gives you some inspiration in case you have any last minute beach destination coming up. So that's a wrap on outfit of the day this time. I know a little bit different, but hope you had fun. It gave you some inspiration in case you have any beach destinations coming up here in the next few months. I'll list all of my outfits down below. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which box, and of course have my links there. And if I can list or link directly to the item, I will. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were this week. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.